Here's a concise study guide for Azure Dedicated Hosts. Azure Dedicated Hosts Study Guide. Overview. Azure Dedicated Hosts provide physical servers dedicated to a single tenant, offering isolation at the hardware level for your Azure virtual machines, VMs. Unlike multi-tenant environments, dedicated hosts ensure your workloads run on isolated hardware, helping meet compliance, regulatory, and security requirements. Key features. 1. Physical isolation. Single-tenant server ensures no other customer's VMs run on the same host. 2. VM flexibility. Supports a variety of VM sizes within a host group. 3. Compliance and security. Ideal for workloads with regulatory requirements, e.g., HIPAA, PCI, FedRAMP. 4. Control over maintenance. You control host maintenance windows for predictable uptime. 5. Licensing benefits. Supports Azure Hybrid Benefit and Windows Server or SQL Server licenses. Host groups. Dedicated hosts are organized into host groups, which define fault domains for high availability. A host group can contain multiple hosts to distribute workloads and reduce downtime during maintenance. Supported VM types. Standard VM families like DSV3, E4, S4, FSV2, LSV2, etc., depending on region and SKU. Mixed VM sizes allowed on the same host as long as resources fit. Billing and pricing. Charge per host, not per VM. Pricing depends on VM family, region, and number of cores allocated. Savings possible via reserved instances and Azure Hybrid Benefit. Use cases. Compliance-sensitive workloads needing physical isolation. Applications requiring predictable performance without noisy neighbor effects. Licensing scenarios benefiting from host-level VM deployment. Management. Create via Azure Portal, CLI, or ARM templates. Monitor via Azure Monitor and Log Analytics. Maintain host-level patching policies using Azure Update Management. Limitations. Higher cost compared to shared infrastructure. Limited to supported VM sizes per host SKU.